Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man, back with another quick unboxing. We just did the controller here, man, but still with the same thing, man. Let's get into the Starfield, right? With that said, we got a big one right here, guys. This is the limited edition Xbox Starfield headset, man. I mean, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Going to kind of match your Starfield controller there into the Starfield, right? That's what they're saying. So you got the Xbox branding right here. Starfield all on this thing, letting you know how cool it's going to be. Game sold separately. And then you look on the back here, just shows you how cool this headset is going to be. So if you're currently already using the Xbox wireless headset, this is the same one, but limited edition to Starfield. Enough talking, let's go ahead and unbox her. Yeah, man. All right, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Whew. Man, here we go. Starfield all over again. Man, I'm so excited to be able to bring this to you. Let's go ahead and set this out gently right here. Yeah, man. And then you got the constellation stuff, Starfield, throttle, and all this other like cool space flight type stuff, letting you know it's a headset. Let's look inside this box and see what we got here. It says, let's adjust the camera a little bit. For all into the Starfield. Let's go, man. Let's go. So I think that's really cool that they set this up the same way. Constellation right here. And I mean, they really went in with this one, man. I mean, they really, really went in. I'm super satisfied with the way that they set this up. I'm going to sit that down right here for now. And I think this whole Starfield setup is going to be super nice. Let's go ahead and unbox the controller, or the headset, sorry. Look, I'm looking at the controller and talk about the headset, like, you know. So let's go ahead and unbox the headset and see what we got here. Or unravel the headset. Man, I mean, this is so cool. I mean, as I said that, it tells you don't save this plastic because babies can choke on it, so. Man, bro, they went in with this one. Whew. Yeah, this thing is nice. So you can see that they tell you to adjust here. You got the left and right side, comms, balance, cockpit, Nova Galactic Pilot Com headset, man. Get to spin this around to your adjustments as so. Turn it on this side. Property of constellation with the constellation colors right there, right side. Min and max for the volume. You can turn this all the way up or down. And then you have the beautiful Xbox branding right there, man. You see the copper, the gold, the red all the way around. This is a really good color scheme that they did for this one. Let's adjust our camera just a little bit more. This is a really great color scheme that they did for this one here. I mean, I'm super stoked about the colors. Man. So we're going to unravel this too. Just take this straight out. Oops. And this is our mic that we're talking to. Completely translucent. And you see it says mic on it right there with more constellation stuff. I mean, they went in all the way in on this one, man. Copper all the way around. That bronze kind of metallic copper color. I absolutely love it. And then the little protector. Well, that's not about that. But this thing is absolutely beautiful, man. Like paired up with your Constellation controller, like you are set to game to play Starfield, are you not? Like this brand new controller and setup, I'm calling this the Game of the Year limited edition controller and headset. Am I speaking too early? Please let me know in the comments down below. But I think with your new controller and your headset, you're going to be set to go, ready to play Constellation. This is just so cool, man. Xbox really did their thing with this one, and these colors really, really pop. So I went ahead and unboxed this for you all, the brand new Starfield limited edition Game of the Year headset and controller. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Until the next video, guys, it's been Steph, man. Let's get it. Let's play Constellation, man. Starfield. Yeah.